Model: 2017 Peugeot Boxer 440 L4H3 X long wheelbase, extra high top body, white, panel van mileage, 71,317 MOT, the 25th of October 2023 engine, 1,997 cc DW10 FUC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. This is a very clean Euro 6 extra long wheelbase extra high top. This will make an excellent camper conversion. Grin features: 1